So hey guys, this is Saman Lambe from Electrotech, and I've bought you the most efficient Bluetooth headphones, and I've tested it in all conditions as possible, and I think they are the best one to buy. And if you're a sport guy, these are the best for you. So I'll show you what it is printed on the box first. Nothing on the front side. On the side, all the quick things are written so you can read it easily. On the other side, it has some pricing. I'll just zoom in for you guys. And regarding the pricing, it costs around $15 and approximately 1000 rupees in India. So let's see what it has written over here. It says one corresponding with version 4.1, that is the Bluetooth for it. 2 wireless working distance, So second point is wireless distance is up to 10 meters or less. Charging time is less than 3 hours, but I've tested the charging time and it takes roughly around 3.5 hours sometimes if it is properly discharged up to minimum value. And all you can see and read it over here, it has no need that I keep on reading everything. I'll just open it up for you guys. I've already kept the LED glowing, and I have used it already for you and it works properly. So this is the basic guide you can use, but I'm going to tell you how to set this up and everything. So without wasting any time, I'll show you what you get in the box. These are the main headphones, and I'm just opening it. Yeah, so on the left headset we get a button to control the LED. First I'll off it, or otherwise the battery would discharge. Yeah, it is off now. So what do we get else is a USB cable. It is good, tidy USB cable, not best but good for all use, and some extra ear tips with small and large size. The medium are already installed over it. So the main Bluetooth, that is right here on the right side, you get is the 3 buttons, that is 1 for the power and 2 for the volume control and for the tracks synchronization. So for first of all, you need to pair up with the Bluetooth device. That is, you will just on the Bluetooth on your phone and keep the power button, that is this one on the right ear set, pressed. Okay, so when you keep it pressed, the red and blue light keeps blinking. So I'll just keep it pressed and you will see the connection. See, it has started for searching for the Bluetooth device. It will blink again. See, did you see that? Yeah, it works like that way. And once it has been connected with your Bluetooth device, all you can just on it and it will get automatically connected. That's the best thing about it. And this is for the volume up and down. So I've showed you how to just on it and off it. Now regarding the working and all other aspects regarding this. So it has a good range. It can you can just keep your phone at one place and you can carry with your go on with your Bluetooth up to 1 room or 2 rooms, but the connection might interrupt while this process. Okay, so the LED is quite good if you go for the walking at night, and it will be very handy for the jogging people here. And the fitting for this using this plugs is very nice. I must say that they have done a very good job regarding this fitting, and it fits properly. Again, the different aspects are sound. Yeah, it has a good sound. You also get a good build, but the printing over this, it actually goes off after some time. So you have to be, if you're a little cringy about the design, it might really go off after some time. As you can see, it has some faded off and the design has really faded off, but the bass and treble is very nice over this, and you can create some enhancement using the equalizer on your phone if your phone supports this over wireless connection. And I've tested it, it works pretty fine, and you can create a very good music or using the bass and treble options if you have that in your phone. Almost every device nowadays has that. And regarding the loudness, yeah, the loudness is very good, and different things are yeah, it's sturdiness. It has a very good sturdiness. Regarding this side also, it is fully plastic, and the screw used are some kind of blackish, I think, alloy polished, and I have a personal experience over it. I have used it in little rain also. There is no kind of rusting or that kind of problems happening with this, so you can really rely on this in all conditions. But still, it is waterproof in the, I think it is little splash proof, not completely waterproof, so you can, yeah, you can use it, no problem regarding this. So if you liked the video, please share your comments over this, and anything I have missed in this video, so you can ask me in the comment section. So this is for this headphones. If you want some extra knowledge regarding this, again, the comment box is always open for you guys. Thank you, good night. And if it is morning in your country, then good morning, depends upon the country you are living in this. Bye.